So if you've ever been a part of producing an event before, you know how crucial a good video could be to getting people to buy tickets, and that's exactly the position that I was in a few months ago. So in this video, I'm going to show you some key effects that could be used in any editing software that took my video from just kind of good to really good, and everybody liked it and it helped us achieve the goal. So let's get right into it. So again, we need to get more tickets sold. We needed a good teaser video, and I was able to pull together some footage, and this was the initial video that I made here.
We ready, we ready, ready, 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 we ready for the road. Feel the spirit, it calling me, the spirit calling me, spirit. Calling me, start to jump around if you feel the spirit. It calling me, the spirit calling me, spirit. It calling me, start to jump around if you feel the spirit. It calling me.
After I did that video, my business partner was like, yo, you don't have any graphics or overlays or anything like that to put over the video. And I was like, I know exactly where I think I could find some. I quickly turned to motionVFX to see if they had anything in the event package realm there. Found mEvent. Now the motionVFX packs has about over 140 different effects there that you can use to enhance your event video there. Everything from drop zones to titles to speaker lineups. You could use those for DJ lineups, different transitions, everything that you need to take your videos to the next level. Let me show you how I used it to level up this specific video that I'm talking about here. So the first thing I was able to do here is come in and animate the logo. And if you look under this here, we use logo number 6, and that kind of just animates in. I drop that, and that's just easy drag and drop here. I already have it in the timeline, so I will delete that and just show you what it did there. But instead of the standard there, it came in and it brought the logo in, animated in and animated out there for me. And you know, with every motionVFX plugin there, you have all of the different controls over here that you could use to animate in, animate out, and do all of that stuff there. And then next up after that, I was able to add in one of the titles here. I ended up using title number 4, which looked kind of cool. And again, that is just drag and drop there. And as you could see in here, where it has the Economist Conference lineup there, it has a little blue, purplish line there. I was able to come in here and change mine to match my logo and the theme of our event there, which has red in the logo. So I was able to change the line of the logo here, set all the different parameters there, and set up a nice little title animation there. And then we came into the get your tickets there, which has the cool little animation there. Again, I was able to customize that to fit the red even on the highlights of the tickets there. And then perfect for me is that they had this lineup package here where it is you could come in and put in all the different names of your speakers. In my case, it was DJs there. So we're able to come in and you see it play this animation here with it highlighting and coming up with all the different DJs there. And then I was able to drop another little lineup there and just use it as everything that was going to be included in that particular day there. And then I just ended with this particular animation here, which we already had made for us there. But we're able to go from that initial video that I showed you to this video right here.
We ready, we ready, ready, 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 we ready for the road. Feel the spirit, it calling me, the spirit calling me, spirit. It calling me, start to jump around if you feel the spirit. It calling me, the spirit calling me, spirit. It calling me, start to jump around if you feel the spirit. It calling me.
The crazy part about this is that I'm barely even scratching the surface of what motionVFX has available in this pack. I really think this would be a valuable tool for any type of event that it is that you're doing there. motionVFX is not sponsoring this video. However, I did reach out to them and they said that they would be able to give 10% off to anybody that uses the code down below. That is code CTL. And again, you don't have to use that just on the mEvent pack there. If you edit in Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, you can go and buy that there and get a special 10% off there. So as my intro said, this is a 3-minute Thursday. Hopefully I was able to keep the time there. I will catch you in the next one. Big up yourself. Peace.